Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is all about spring. I am done with the winter and I am ready to start bringing in some happiness and some cheeriness into my home in the form of decor. So I am going to definitely start right here in my foyer. Today I'm going to be decorating my console table as you see behind me, and I am going to be bringing in some greenery and some freshness and some new decor pieces that I got from Amazon a few weeks ago. So I would love for you guys to watch the video from beginning to end and definitely let me know what y'all think about my decor for spring. If this is your first time here visiting, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor and seasonal decorating. If that's what you are interested in watching, I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. I would also love to interact with you, so I would love for you to go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about my decor for spring today. So I also do upload every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, for taking the time out of your busy day to spending this time with me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Okay guys, so this vase is the vase that I got off of Facebook Marketplace for free, the turquoise vase. Do you remember? I went ahead and I spray painted it with like a cream spray, and then I went over it with some browns and grays and some baking soda, and also I just kind of played around with it and, you know, make a different pattern. But this is what I'm telling you, like, you can make something so beautiful and high end out of just thrifting, or, you know, finding something that is less than, you know, what you will find in the retail stores. Because let me tell you, all you need is some love and some elbow grease and a little bit of creativity. This vase probably would have cost me like $700-800 if I were to purchase it from like a Pottery Barn or Restoration Hardware type stores, and I literally got it off of Facebook Marketplace for free. Did y'all see my Billie Holiday photo? I love that. I got the photo itself from Amazon, and the frame I got from the thrift store. I am loving this acrylic book stand. I got that off of Amazon, and of course Nikki Boyd, y'all know Nikki Boyd. Oh my goodness, love her so much. But I will link everything down in the description box for you guys, so that if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can. They are cost effective, and I just kind of wanted to upgrade, or, you know, update my decor. I haven't really shopped for decor in a very long time. This dough bowl, I got it from Dollar General, and y'all, this jasmine scent is incredible. I got that off of Amazon. It is incredible. It literally smells up my entire home from downstairs to upstairs. It just smells amazing. But like I said, I will link everything down below in the description box for you guys if you are interested in purchasing any of these items. Baby, it's just me. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. thank y'all so much for joining me today. This was so much fun, and I just always enjoy spending time with y'all and decorating my home. I hope that you guys decorated with me and gained some inspiration for this upcoming season, spring. We are a few weeks away from spring, and I am super excited about it because I'm done with all the snow. But thank y'all so much for joining me today. Like I said, I hope that you guys were inspired to take something that you perhaps had before, or even something that you found free on the side of the road or Facebook Marketplace, whatever it is, and put some elbow grease in it, give it some love, and turn it into something high-end and beautiful. So I love you guys. I appreciate y'all so much. I appreciate you taking this time out of your busy day to spend it with me. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.